Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to turn on eye tracking on iOS 18. Turning on eye tracking on iOS 18 is a great way to enhance accessibility and interact with your devices hands-free. So here is how you can enable this feature. First of all, go open up your Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings menu, scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Swipe down and under Physical and Motor, tap on Eye Tracking. Toggle on the button right next to Eye Tracking and follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. Once you are done, you will then be able to enable eye tracking. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate the feature, and this will be able to enable eye tracking on your iOS 18. To perform a selected action while you enable eye tracking, look at an item and hold your gaze. Simply go ahead and follow through the instructions. Look in the dots that is moving on the screen, and you will then be able to set up eye tracking for iOS 18. So that is how you easily enable or turn on eye tracking on iOS 18. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.